If you're new to the Hillphoenix hot food cases, learning how to operate the digital controller is the first step with merchandising success in your hot food display case. Hot food display cases are designed to hold food to a minimum of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer for up to 4 hours. It's very important to understand how to operate and maintain your hot case to ensure that the food being merchandised is kept at its optimum. This video will cover identifying the function of each type of controller, explaining how to preheat the hot display case, show how to change the controller settings and provide guidance on common settings, as well as merchandising recommendations and how to shut down the hot food merchandiser. At Hillphoenix, we manufacture hot cases that heat through conduction heat transfer in our PFH model and with a combination of heating through conduction and convection heating in our PFH-C model. If your hot case is equipped with the convection heating option, there will be an addition to the control panel, which includes a dial controller. This dial will control the fans that operate the convection air circulation. Both types of hot cases are equipped with digital controls. Depending on how your case is configured, the controls should be located on the front lower section of the case, behind sliding doors, or on the back of the case. The main controller is located on the left-hand side when facing the controls. The main digital controller powers on and off the case lights and case power. You can see when it's turned on, all the digital controllers light up. The top light is for illumination only. This is not to control the upper heat. When the light above the case power button is illuminated, this indicates the case power has been turned on. The main power light indicates there is power to the case. Even when the controls are turned off, the main power light should remain lit. The remaining digital controllers will be either percentage or temperature controllers, depending on your case specifications. A temperature controller will show the surface temperature of a heated surface, while the percentage controller shows a heating range from 0 to 9. Both types of controllers function the exact same way. The heat active dot should be blinking on and off each time the element is switched on and off. If the dot does not blink, check to see if there is power to the case. On the percentage controller, there are heat ranges. 0 equals heat off, 1 equals lowest heat, and 9 equals maximum heat. Each digital controller is labeled to indicate which heating surface it controls. To adjust the heat on both the temperature and percentage controllers, push the up or down arrows and hold for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you will be able to adjust the shelf temperature by continuing to push the arrows up or down. Repeat as needed for each individual controller. One difference on the temperature controller is after pushing the button for 5 seconds, wait until SEC flashes. Now you can change your set point to the desired temperature. To preheat your hot case, turn on the case power and adjust the set controller to level 9 for preheat. To adjust the controller, hold the up and down arrow for 5 seconds and then select the desired setting. The hot display case must preheat for at least an hour and a half to reach full temperature. If your case is equipped with the convection heating option, turn the fan control dial to 5 during the preheat stage. Once the case is preheated, you may now turn the heat level to 5 or 6 and begin loading pre-packaged food items. Merchandising food prior to the case being preheated will cause the temperature of the food to quickly drop. This case is designed to maintain product temperature, not to heat up or cook food items. The digital settings will need to be adjusted to your specific product and store conditions. Set the top heat controls at 5 or 6. Fried foods such as chicken at 5 or 6, and foods immersed in a liquid or a sauce between 2 and 5. Once the desired temperatures are set per your store's conditions and the types of products being merchandised, the desired settings are now programmed and saved. The next time you power on your case from the main controller, the settings you last used will automatically be set with no need to adjust the shelf controls. For best results when merchandising, place prepackaged food items in the display case with internal product temperatures at a minimum of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Merchandise should be arranged by product type with groupings of like products together per shelf. The temperature can be adjusted per shelf to find the ideal heat setting based on the food, packaging, and moisture content of the items merchandised. When placing food onto the hot shelves or the hot base deck, ensure that the bottom of the packaging sets directly on the shelf behind the heat shield to help maintain ideal product temperatures. If your case is equipped with the optional convection heat, keep each heated shelf positioned below the perforated holes located on the inside back panel of the hot display case. This allows for optimal airflow across the product and shelf. The hot case is equipped with a thermometer in the inside back panel. The case air temperature is not a representation of the internal product temperature or the heated surface temperature. Per NSF requirements, the internal product temperature of food in a hot holding display case must be a minimum of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. Monitor internal food temperatures per your state and local guidelines. To shut down the case, turn the case power to off on the main controller. It is not necessary to adjust any of the other controls. Turn off the case lights, remove the product, and allow the case to cool completely before cleaning. If you should have any questions about operating your hot food display case, contact us at www.hillphoenix.com.